I'll just go to Asif Ansari for that in a bit. But Keya, Ghosh, do you want to quickly respond? You are a woman politician. Do you have the option of choosing what time you work?
A very pertinent question you've put across to me. The thing is, Mamata Banerjee, in her blatant attempt to cover up her faults, cover up her flaws as the chief minister, as perhaps the only woman chief minister across the country, now she's trying to, put chain across the women's feet. This is a highly misogynist statement. Now tell me, is it possible, like Dr. Sabarwal very correctly pointed out, she said, is it possible for a doctor to, differentiate between timings? Because she's on a duty, any doctor, she's on a duty, she could be on emergency duty. So it's like, okay, she will be turning into a Cinderella. So it's okay, it's 12, 11 midnight, now it's high time I should leave. Is it something that once a female patient, next is what? A female patient, they wouldn't be admitted in the night? Because Mamata Banerjee's government supposedly fails to provide security to them? Is it something that Mamata Banerjee will say that, okay, no female patients would be admitted in the night? Please, day in and day out basis, you are free to go home at around 6 to 7 p.m. because we fail to provide you security. And the next day again, you come for admission. Next is what? Or Mamata Banerjee herself, being a woman chief minister, like you asked me, she will fail to or cease to function as the woman chief minister post 8 p.m. or 10 p.m. because it is her police whose callousness has led to this kind of horrific incident. So it is a highly misogynist statement. Rather than putting a chain on women's feet, she and her administration should concentrate upon providing the facilities, like Dr. Sabarwal said. What about the CCTVs? The government itself has submitted in the High Court that no, we failed to provide 100% CCTV coverage in all the hospitals. This is the dismal situation. So,
let me just get in Asif Ansari to answer you. Asif Ansari, do you want to answer the Keya, Ghosh as well as the other panelists who have spoken on this show? Isn't the job of the state government of the centre to ensure that there is law and order in place, that there is safety in place to work, irrespective of gender? I mean, right now we are discussing about women and men, but that's not the only binaries we talk about. And here you are actually putting the mandate that let the women not work in night shifts as much as possible. What's the responsibility of the government?
Ma'am, exactly. There will be a different type of questions will be coming in. But the fact is that the guest who is talking about, they did not know the scenario of the past 10 years. If you come to the Bengal, what the medical condition has improved, you just find the stat of the IMD, the Indian Medical Association, what the standard upliftment has happened in Bengal, and what the government hospitals have come up, the level of government hospitals, the provided of medical amenities has been given. It is a world-class medicine has been given. And